bag has got the devil inside. I'm afraid if I open that bag, that devil is gonna fly out of there like bats out of hell. And it's gonna suck my blood dry. That bag has got the devil inside.
Do you hear that annoying sound? Ding, 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 ding. Ladies and gentlemen, how about you, boys and girls? No? Should I make it louder? Now that sound is the obstacles avoidance signal. It's telling you or me that there are obstacles around the drone, so be forewarned, don't crash into anything. I'm warning you already, that's what he's saying. If you look at your phone, your smartphone, or your tablet that's connected to your remote controller, and you're gonna see there's a broken red oval or red circle that's around, supposed to be an invisible drone that you can't see, and that's the warning that there are obstacles around the drone. Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing there, boys and girls? Now, what am I doing here? I better get paid for this. But all I'm saying is, you saw what I just demonstrated to you about that obstacles avoidance, but you see my past video when I was in the woods or in the park that the thing was following me. I call it the devil. I got the devil out of the bag. I'm okay. Thank you. If the bag doesn't impress you, that obstacles avoidance does not impress you, apparently you might not even like the sound of the, tang, 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 tang. DJI got something for you. Now, look at this. All the propellers that you're getting as spare. You can go camping with this and, you have enough plastic knives. Use them as plastic knives. You don't need all these propellers, but you get in them. Okay? So, I'm impressed just by those propellers. I go camping a lot, as you see. The other thing is, this harness, whatever, looks like it is for a Doberman or something, but, they use it on a drone. You know that this is magnetic, right here? This is magnetic. Okay, it protects the front, the lens, the propellers, the sensor underneath the body. Okay, and this is great stuff. So, I had the DJI Mini 2. I sold it, but I had great fun with that thing. That was a blast to fly. But every minute I gotta make sure I keep an eye on it. I'm not saying that the obstacle avoidance on the Mavic 3 is 100%. It's not. There's nothing out there that's 100%, especially when it comes to toys like this. You gotta keep an eye on it. Obstacles avoidance and the active tracking is just a feature that I'm able to use for what I do, like go camping most of the time. And now, the only thing I gotta warn you is small branches. Small branches, this thing is not able to see. I'm not complaining, okay? I walked into completely perfect, clean glass door. I didn't even know there was a glass door because it was cleaned so well, like in a mall, shopping mall, or something. It's cleaned so well that I didn't even notice that the glass was there, and I ran into it and hit my head. This little thing it's not, of course it's not 100%, this is a machine, so it has to be controlled by a human being. That's one thing that we all need to understand. When we control a machine, you know, you have to be some sort of an expert, not having an accident. Otherwise, accidents happen no matter what features you have on the machine. Speaking about machine, everybody, since I'm not one, I'm gonna go take a break. This is the end of the video, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye bye.